All right, so anyway, people were asking about this Ryobi. There's two different types of drill heads that you get with these Ryobis. And this one here is a push-pull. And basically, like I've got a bit in there right now, but for me to get that bit out, what I've got to do is grab this collar, and you'll see I'm going to push it forward. You see how it moves forward? And then I can just extract the bit. It's very simple. To put the bit in, you know, you're pushing, it's not working, right? So to get the bit in there, you can't just push it in. You got to kind of pull this open, then you're going to slide it in, and it's going to lock on it like that. Now, if you notice, you see how it's got this little indentation? Those little ball bearings lock around that. So when you push it out like this, it contracts them so that this can slide in, and then that locks it. And now that baby's in there. To get it off, all you do is push it forward and pop it off. That's it. That's how you do it. Bam, bam. That's this one, the small one, okay? And there's the model on it. You can see it, right? So that's the one that has that. Now the other one right here is your traditional one. And basically you just kind of twist this top and it loosens, and then you can extract the bit. If you look inside there, you see how it clamps down on it? You put it in, right? Let me get a shinier one so it's prettier. Put it in, and then all you do, you can grab it and just kind of move it in forward, and it locks it down. When you do that, you don't want to have it on the high number. You want to have a lower number so that when I do that, you hear that? So it doesn't rip the skin off your hand. And bam, now this thing's locked in there. To get it off, I just twist it counterclockwise, bam, it comes out. And that's it. That's how they work. You know, very simple. In, twist it, clockwise, little pull there, low number, low torque. And then if you're gonna, you know, if you're doing something really strong, you just bring the torque up on here. The highest it has on here is, you know, it's past 20. It goes all the way up to here. If you grab this and turn it now, it'll rip the skin off your fingers. So I recommend, you know, when you're putting the bit in, to get it down here on the lower number so you don't hurt yourself. And it locks in. If you want to get it a little tighter, you can do it like that. You know, bring it up a little bit. But that's how it works. So those are the two Ryobi drill heads that you can get. Stick them up, fellas. And pretty simple to use. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.